Welcome to my channel, Purposeful Play, where I talk about all things early childhood education. I'm Danielle and I teach 4K in Wisconsin. And today I'm sharing a couple of quick tutorial videos with you. And this video is about how to access files, Google files, that I have shared with you, whether it be on the Facebook page or in one of my videos. It's an easy way for you to have access to my files without me actually granting you editing rights. So let's get started. It has taken me a while to figure out what you are seeing on your end when you click on or open up my small group games folder. So these are some of the things I've put together. You are welcome to have access to this. I have put it out there for people to look at. Let's say I want to do this, the jumping jelly bean game, and it has environmental print underneath it. So when you open it up, it says view only. If you request edit access and I granted it to you, that would mean that you would be editing my copy. So it wouldn't look like this for me anymore. And in fact, you and I could be playing this game at the exact same time. So I don't want to do that. So what you have to do is you have to do a file, make a copy, and this only has one slide, but you can copy the entire presentation and then you can edit it on your own. You do need a Google account because this is a Google document and I don't think it can be transferred over to any other kind of, I don't know what you call it, any other kind of file. So it has to be a Google document. And then the other thing is, let me see if I can go back. The board game template, that one is a link. So you click on that one. And then at the bottom, it's taking sweet time to scroll. It actually says, you guys can't see it because my screen recording is cut off there. At the bottom, it says get link here. So you click on the get link here and there it is. And you click on that. And then you can also play this game. And you don't need for me to grant you access to my files. So again, let's say you wanted, let's see what there is here. I'm trying to think of other ones that I've shared with people. Oh, I know. This was another folder that I had shared in a video, and I'm welcome to share it down below. That is some resources for family that I have shared with families. Now, if you wanted to make a copy of the entire folder, let's see, can you make a copy of the entire folder? No, you cannot. So if you wanted to make a copy of this one, here's Purposeful Play, and it's ideas for families that they can do at home. If students are teaching or learning virtually, this is just some ideas of what they can do to make it a little bit more purposeful. So you can, again, file, make a copy, and then you can call it whatever you want. And then you have a copy of your own so you can change it. All right, I hope that video was helpful. It's pretty easy, pretty basic. The only thing I don't know for sure is if you have to have a Google account or not. I'm pretty sure because these files are Google files and I don't think that they can be translated. I don't even know what the terms are, those technology terms, into a different kind of document. So I hope this has been helpful. I have gotten so many requests for access to my files. Most of them actually go to my spam or my trash. And at first I was responding to them saying, hey, all you have to do is, make a copy. But then I just couldn't keep up with all of them. So I thought I'd quickly share this video so you guys can figure out how to do it on your own. I have no problems sharing my things with people. I don't have any intentions of putting things out on Teachers Pay Teachers for people to pay for them. I try to keep them very simple and not very time consuming, but the kids really love them. So that is why I do them, and that's why I'm sharing them with you, because I have a feeling that your students would love them too. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about something else I'm doing or something that you are just interested in, let me know. I love doing the videos, recording the videos that you are interested in watching. So give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the subscribe button because it's appreciated, and then you don't want to miss out on anything.